Hi, this is the part that I designed in my previous video. The handle for Begode T4 EUC. The bracket is made from stainless steel, print with the SLM process, selective laser melting. I sent this to JLC 3DP for printing. This part costs $45 a piece. As you can see that it can print complex metal part without molding and CNC machining, which will cost more. The material itself is as strong as the conventional stainless steel. In the specification, the tolerance of this printing process is 0.3mm. When I send this model for printing, they replied to me that this object is flat and long and it might subject to rotational deformation. This part has to be joined with this nylon handle like this. I need to say thank you to JLC 3DP for sponsor this material printing. I will scan this individual part and I will overlap with the part that I designed in CAD. I think the best way to lay the object is to lay it on a flat. So I will scan this side and then I flip over to scan the other side. There will be two overlapping walls here and here. This will be the overlapping area on both front and back side. So I put markers here for reference. I put some clay to support it. Okay, I'll start scanning. I'm using 0.15 resolution. Next I will turn it over. Yeah, it's quite stable. I don't need clay anymore. Okay, let's clean this up. .15. Remove the marker. Okay, looks alright. Clean up the second one. .15. Okay, a little more to clean up. Okay, let's do the merging. Manual merging, marker merging, scan 1, scan 2. Let's turn it to the sides here. Okay, now the marker is, you need to zoom in. So the marker is here. So just click shift 1, 1, 2, 2, and go the other way. 3, 3, 4, 4. Start. Okay, looks okay now. Yes, exit merging. Okay, looks alright. Okay, actually it looks very nice. This is the original bracket and the green point cloud is the scan that I scan. I align the point cloud to the mounting point and I can start to see the deformation from the left side, and it's more noticeable here that the bracket is moved toward the bottom. We have about 1.5mm. I think it should be okay. 1.5mm. See, the hole is misaligned. Let's check how far it moved. About 2.6mm. So it's just a few millimeters off. Let's check here. About 3.2mm. We have about 0.7mm. So it's not much. I think the nylon can give some flex because the flank here is very short. There is a possibility that it will fit because the flank is short and the nylon can give some movement and flex. Let's try to put this together. This is M4 brass insert. I set the heater temperature to 270 degrees. You need to set it to 300 to do a press fitting with the nylon. 270 is for ABS. It takes a very long time to heat up. After pressing the brass insert, don't touch it, you can burn yourself. It flex a bit because this joining part is nylon plastic. I think there's a chance that it might fit into the EUC. Let's try. I used a stock screw. I think it's long enough. Okay, let's see if this will fit. It's flexed a bit, so I might be able to fit this on. You may wonder, where's the real handle? I cancel it because I want to try the front one first, and if the front one work, I order the real one. So the front one is actually very easy to fit, so I will just upload all the files, front and back handles, so you can download and print it. But by the way, let's test the weight. One handle supposed to be able to carry 50 kilograms of load, so I should be able to hold the whole EUC with just one handle. Yeah, you can hold it. It's no flex. Let's take a closer look here. Mounting flank is flush, there's no gap, so it's sit flush with the battery brackets. The gap follows the shape of the top pad. Here also no gap, sit flush. A small gap here. Is that because the deformation from the printing? But I think this should be fine. So now you can sit writing and have a handle to control it. I made a groove here so that you can put your fingers in. The texture of the nylon SLS is like a sand texture. It's no slipping, matte color, feels very nice, and it holds the brass insert very strong, so there will be no chance that it will pull out, and it heat resistant 140 degrees Celsius. It's when it lay on the floor. To make order, you go to this website jlc3dp.com and you click on 3D printing. For example, if you download it, you can drop there 6 pieces. Drop the first one, and then you select the file here as a SLM. So you select SLM here. So it has metal, and this is like a harmonized code for when you import things. As a stainless steel handle. So it's $14.5. Let me try one more. SLS. So there are 6 parts in total. SLS, you click on nylon SLS and click on this one, 3201PA. This is a black color. So if you click this one, it will be white color. Your choice. Click on the harmonized code. When you check out, they will check the files, and then they'll send you an email that this steel bracket part will bend out of shape and deform. You just reply to them that you will continue to print, and then they will process the printing. It will fit. I have already checked with the scanner. It's only a few millimeters deformed, so it will fit in your EUC Begode T4. So there will be 6 parts in total, 4 in stainless steel and 2 in nylon. If you want to download this part, I put a link in the description. There are 6 pieces. You should not print this bracket with the material other than stainless steel, because when I apply the 25 kg load, the stress here is already 200 megapascal. The nylon tensile strength is only 48 megapascal, so it will snap right off and you can hurt yourself. Here's the mudguard that I made in the previous video. If you buy it new, it will cost you $22. If you print it with the SLS nylon, it will cost you only $8. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.